Mommy, I am strong. No wonder where the mosquito came to the blood. Is it over here? Yes. Ooh! That is it. The mosquito. Our blood is nice, but then Stella put some water on my face, and her face was ready to clean already.
Did you kill a mosquito?
You mean me?
Yeah?
No, Miss Stella.
How?
Because she sort of was one mighty smack with her hand.
One mighty smack with her hand.
Yes. And she just goes, you know, wears different clothes on Chinese New Year.
She always wears different clothes on Chinese New Year.
And she still wears it until. So how was Chinese New Year party on Friday? I'm good. But then, that's great. But then there was a monster there.
A Chinese New Year?
Was it you?
No, I was. Is it a dragon or a lion? It must be. That means it's the dragon that's. Dun, 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 it's a dragon, but I wasn't scared of a dragon. Me too, when I was downstairs with Dannon. When I was downstairs in my school, I wasn't scared of a dragon dance because I was on top. Was everybody else scared? Yes. All of the other ones were scared, so I blocked them so that they don't leave, because they were behind me.
Can you eat your tuna, please?
But they stole my shirt. My shirt was green. They thought that my shirt was green, because they know my shirt is the color of a different color of green. Because
How's your chicken corn soup?
I love it. What are you doing? When I finish my dinner, when I'm angry, I'm
Jack, can you finish yours?